Good evening, everybody, and welcome to We Inspire, our weekly interview segment where we connect with entrepreneurs and talk about what keeps them inspired and motivated. Joining us today is Mr. Pran R. Gupta, founder and director of Favorite, a Gurgaon based food packaging business that connects rural food producers with urban India through e commerce portals. He's going to share his journey behind starting an enterprise aimed at providing opportunities to those less fortunate and how starting a business allows him to spend more time with his family. Welcome, Pran.
Thank you, Renoy, for this opportunity. Pleasure.
Yes, the pleasure is ours, and thank you for taking the time to join us. So, right off the bat, let us talk a little bit about your business and your inspiration behind starting it. So, please feel free to introduce how you got started.
So this is not a very old business. This is just a startup, and
Okay.
behind this startup, there is a long journey of my 20-year private job. So when I started my private job and got growing slowly, after 10-15 years, I realized more people are engaged with me and they are expecting something more. So like I am from a rural background, so
Okay.
where more unemployment is there, so people
Okay.
started getting connected, they expect something from me, they ask for some job opportunity or something. So this gives a thought of into my mind ki why can't we start some venture where more skillful people or more mass population who are not actually skillful or highly qualified, how they can get engaged with some kind of uh, venture.
I
So
see.
that inspired me ki I have to start such a business which can connect to everyone, either he is skillful, he is qualified, or he is living in rural area, urban area, suburban area, he can get connected with that kind of venture. So this venture is basically based on some social cause where we can generate some employment opportunity for those people who are really living in small towns and they are not aware with high tech technologies and new age requirement. So how we can give some opportunity into their own place, like in small towns and villages there, where they can do some processing, especially food processing, which are recipes and techniques are already available there. Only I have to take it forward to a market where people are hungry to get original food, authentic recipe, traditional food, and they
Hmm.
can get benefited through this kind of uh, venture. So this is kind of venture to connect rural people, small town people with the urban migrated people who are really connected with their original taste and food, and they want the processed food which are not really through a machine process or chemical process. These are kind of homemade process and homemade food, and
Hmm.
this can connect both of them.
Well, that's certainly a noble cause. So thanks for sharing that. And it's certainly very interesting how you have put it. Connecting rural people, rural food with the urban community.
Urban
And
consumer,
at the
yes.
same time, giving the rural community employment opportunities and a chance for them to grow and expand as well. So
Yes.
it's a wonderful initiative. So can you talk about some of the products and services that are involved?
See, our product is not any innovative. It is linked with my company name. It is my company name is Discover Tech. So we are trying to discover those products who are really authentic, who are being processed from generations of the family in rural area or in small towns, and they are really authentic. They don't need any preservative. They don't need any machine process, and they are connected with the people's childhood who used to live into their villages and small town, and they really miss them. So this is kind of traditional pickle, we can say regional pickle, Banarsi pickle, Amritsari
Okay.
pickle, Rajasthani pickle, or Andhra
Okay.
pickle. So these are kind of pickle which are not really available in big brand. Big brand caters the taste and flavor based on mass consumer,
Okay.
which can be liked by any kind of people, either he is in South India or North India. So my
Right.
objective is to make the brand of those products who are regional and
Huh.
those are already being processed by someone with tradition. So I am taking it through some brand route. I have
Hmm.
developed the brand for those products like pickles and sattu, which are very popular in Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh.
I
Then
see.
some kind of traditional fruit sweets and herbal sweets. So these kind of fruits which are already available, I am getting it converted into packaged food with
Hmm.
some brand. So I am trying to make the brand and digital marketing for a food product which are available with a traditional food processor who are located into small towns and villages. Those are not really having opportunity to get connected with a urban consumer. So this is
Right.
a product which are all discovered. There is nothing innovative.
Right. Right.
Innovative, we can say the process, which process we are adopting for branding and for serving our urban consumer.
Right. So you're involved in the packaging, and like you said, does not involve any preservatives or chemical. It is purely organic and very clean and healthy.
Yes, yes, it is all traditional, authentic,
Okay.
traditional food products.
I see. So what is the name of your brand in that case?
My brand name is Favorite. So the logic behind our brand is everything which are favorite, either with link with our childhood or with our family tradition, either through grandmother's recipe or
Okay.
family recipe. So this is all favorite taste flavors
Uh,
which are already favorite to us. We can
okay.
get it through brand, where people can't go outside and buy from favorite shop or favorite place, so they can get at home through some brand.
Wow. Okay. So how do you brand it? The brand name is favorite. How do you write it in that case?
Favorite, we have written it with some combination of letter like FAVOR 8. 8 is numerical, so that this can be get trademark and registered easily, because the favorite word is very easy and getting
Okay.
registration or trademark was difficult. So we spelled it with some innovative manner, and now we are having trademark through Vakil Search also. So this
I
is going good for us.
Right. So just to clarify, it's favorite. So it's FAVOR. Then
Uh,
it's an eight. Eight.
8, 8.
Okay. Okay. Very innovative. Okay. So considering that we are still going through the COVID pandemic situation, how have you dealt with it?
See, COVID situation, it is not a challenge for us. It gives opportunity for us, because, as I told, we are not developing any food processing source. So food processing source are already there who get started after COVID, and the opportunity for us that people are now living at home. They are more buying from online channels through e-commerce, and the consumer of processed food or packaged food are getting increased. So this is opportunity where we are utilizing the existing resources who are doing food processing and existing logistic channels, either through processor to us or us to consumer. So all the channels are available and they are functioning well. Processors are available, they are ready to scale up, and consumer are getting good authentic food at their home. So this get converted into opportunity for us, and we are really doing very well, and our sale growth is good in this post 3-4 month of COVID.
Excellent. That's good to hear that you actually saw an opportunity where everyone else couldn't see that or saw a challenge. So, what are the channels that you're using to deliver these food products right now?
So we are using two type of channels. One is a established platform where we can have pan India presence like Amazon, Flipkart.
Okay.
So there is no need to struggle for any supply chain and any logistic or marketing platform. So we are using those platform for our branding purpose, so that
Hmm.
people get aware with our brand. And we are very happy to share that our 15 to 20% of order are coming through repeat customer on established
Right.
platform itself. So either
Oh,
Flipkart or Amazon, we are getting good repeat orders, and at the same time, we are trying to divert those customers to our on platform. So we are now in a process to develop app and website to serve directly to those customer, and we have tied up with some logistic partner like delivery and others. So we are
Okay.
now ramping up our process to convert my vision into a e-commerce business of
Oh,
food. So this is a uh, another side where we are working hard, but one side where we are making it brand and serving our consumer is a established platform, big
sure,
platform.
sure. Yeah. So, just out of curiosity, what would you call the website and the app that you're developing right now?
Website and app both are through our brand name only. So it is favorite. So favorite
Favorite.
app, favorite brand, favorite app. So our main vision is to make our identity different from other food processor or regular brand available in market. So
Right.
the total idea behind this we can have our own identity where people can believe on favorite, either they are buying through app, website, or any other platform. They have to have believe on favorite.
Okay. Okay. So, in the beginning, you mentioned that you were working at a regular 9 to 5 job for 15 plus
Yes,
years now. So now
yes.
that you've made that transition from an employee working in an office to a businessman to an entrepreneur, how do you change the? How would you say the change has affected your family life? How are things going on that end?
See, when I started my job of 9 to 5 at early age of 20, and then I did 10, 15 years, same thing. So that time it was looks like usual. This is only life where I have to go to office and come to home in evening. This was routine. But after the period when after marriage, then having a small kid, I realized that no, this is not a life all about. I have to
Hmm.
spend some more time with my family where I want to spend in daytime or any required time that should be managed, and this is only possible through our own venture. So through creating a venture, I realized that this is a good time when I can have balance between my family life and our my professional life. So at the same time, by doing all these business related activity, I am having more time to spend with my kid and my family. So this is very exciting and motivating for doing more work. So I can
Definitely.
say when you compare with a boring 9 to 5 job, and when you convert it into a self defined life where you have to
Okay.
define your office time and your family time. So this is very exciting, and this is very good experience,
Yeah.
and this
I mean,
gives more motivation for doing more job also, either day, night, anytime.
yeah, certainly. I mean, it's a pleasure to hear that when you say that you found that balance and you're getting to spend time with your family. So it's certainly a big motivation or an inspiration for many of us to start something of their own as well. So moving on, can you talk about some of the services you've taken with Vakil Search?
So from beginning to till today,
I
all the
see.
services we are taking from Vakil Search. So I
Uh-huh.
am by training, I am a mechanical engineer. I did
Okay.
lot of work in automobile industry and other industries also, pharma, medical device industry and other industry. But I was having all the process knowledge of business. So
Hmm.
I can say I am good engineer. I know very good business processes, but I don't know anything about finance and legality. See
Okay.
how to incorporate the business and how to comply all the government requirement. So from beginning to from incorporation to GST, then FSI license, then Startup India registration, every services I took from Vakil Search, and this was a very good experience that I can get all the services under one roof or under one email ID. I have to send one email, and I can get all the available services, how to go forward. So this was good experience with Vakil Search, where I have never thought about any other lawyer or chartered accountant or company secretary. Everything available under one website, or now it is under one application.
Well, thank you for that feedback, Pran. It's certainly very inspiring for us to hear that, and we look forward to servicing more customers like you. especially one that cares so much about the people within his community and helping people, providing them with opportunities as well. So to end things, to end this interview, let me ask, what are your future plans and future plans going forward?
See, the whole idea, what I shared, ki this is related to our rural population and who are looking for opportunity to sell their product. So, considering all these factors, we are what second largest consumer. So we have we in
Yeah, yeah,
India we are having more consumer than anywhere in world. So this business where I am targeting food and grocery items or any favorite things, so a favorite thing itself reflect into a big business.
mm,
So the my total vision or objective, long term objective is to make it a big business. In startup language we can say I want to make it unicorn, or in other business language I can say I want to make a big consumer brand. So this is idea behind this, choosing this product and process to make it a big brand, a big unicorn. So I have big
right,
visions. So this is
right,
not
right.
for uh, now, it is for long term.
Sure, sure. Well, thanks for that, Pran, and from everyone here at Vakil Search, we wish you the very best.
Okay, thank you very much, Reno, for connecting and giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Sure, it's a pleasure. Thank you for your time as well. Take care. Bye, Pran.